Wow. So there is a renovation going on here according to the criteria of the monuments protection. And here's somebody mixing the special mortar to seal the walls. So this is a mixture of red brick powder.
No powder, no, only lime.
Lime, yes.
Lime and tiles powder. Tiles powder.
What powder?
Tiles.
Tiles. Okay, tiles. Okay, red bricks or tiles. So that is why this color is now looking like the one which we need to see these walls in the way that it is not done with gray cement. After that, they are a little bit darkening it with some ashes to get the aspect of to get the look of something which is already a long time exposed to the weather and rain. But originally, when the forts were built, the color was like this, and the materials are exactly the same. So since the fortress is a protected monument, we are having only to do renovations on places which are broken down. What is still there from the original wall is maintained. So this gives this spotty appearance, like here. Only is replaced what is really gone, and the substance which is from the past remains. Here is some interesting corrosion. There's a lot of moisture in the fort. So here we can see that they hammered away the bottom only, right, make it better insulation. This is an ammunition chamber which was locked. Looks a little bit small, but something was in here, maybe just the cannonballs. And this is, here was inside the powder. Here inside that building, what was inside? Powder. Okay, powder is something very dangerous. We have seen that in Beirut. So they had to put it a little bit somewhere else. Not in a place where somebody can explode with it. Also, the old fort had the risk to be bombarded, and already in those days there were shells which could ignite fire, so they had to make a special bunker for just for the powder, close to the cannons, of course, which were on top or not far from it. We have a round ceiling because that is possible to be done without any beams, just holding by itself. 1 second, I will tell you everything once I'm finished with the video, my dear. So this special mixture, how long can you work it? One day? You can work 1 day with that, or it stays just a few hours? How many hours is that? Huh?
8 people, 8.
8 hours you can work it?
No. This hours maybe 1 year, 7 months running.
No, I mean when you put it, when you mix it, how long after you can still use it to seal the walls?
It's mortar?
Yeah, mortar. How long is?
Today mixing and today rub.
Okay, like 1 day you can use it when
yeah,
it's not too hot. Yeah. Okay, very nice. Thank you for the information. And here you see, once they have done it, they're a little bit creating a structure on it, so it doesn't look so perfect like it would be maybe required on a modern building. Here we are looking for something completely different. We are looking for a replacement of lost material, and the old material beside it must be assorted.
Is corona problem?
Corona?
Problem?
No have corona.
No?
No.
What country?
Don't worry. Okay, we'll leave that man. He's a little bit afraid. Okay. Hari. Thank you. So we are close to the lighthouse.
Lighthouse area.
And you are working a long time only for protected monuments. You are specialized with the old monuments. You don't know. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. So here's somebody else. Still doing a small. So this one a little bit darker. This a little bit kalu. This you mix inside. What do you put?
Dye.
Dye. What dye do you use? What kind of dye you use? Black. What is the dye? Is it charcoal? Yamu palana this kalu part dye.
Black.
This is a pigment. This is made from what? What are you using to do that? This,
Color.
special color, like
What color?
yeah, it's made from burnt wood, maybe, no? Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you.